Namaste students, this year is unique and different to everyone, including the students of Chartered Accountancy who are writing the examination in November 2020 due to the factor of Corona, self-study, online sessions, etc. You are prepared on your own way, but what is important for each of you is to give a finishing touch before writing the examination. Keeping this in mind, Trisha Group is organizing a comprehensive revision sessions starting from September 3rd till September end. Immediately mock examinations are lined up from October 1st to October 15th. In these 45 days, we will be able to help you for more than 170 plus hours of revision classes, 20 mock examinations, so that you will be able to write the examination with more confidence. Teachers who are experienced and the best faculties will come and guide you with lot of tricks, tips, so that you can write the examination much better. I, being a quant faculty, will be helping you on math, stats and reasoning, so that this subject is of more of scoring to you. Don't panic for any subjects. The entire Trisha Group is handholding in different ways to you, so that you can write the examination with more confidence. Finally, wishing you all the best, eager to meet you during the revision sessions. Finally, remember 2021 is the Corona year which will elevate you to next level. That's all the best, good luck.
Hi, I'm C. Adarshana. I'm going to be your faculty for Paper 1 Principles and Practice of Accounting for the upcoming CA Foundation crash course for the November 2020 exams. During the crash course, we will discuss every chapter in your accounting syllabus by solving some conceptual and exam-oriented questions. I will also solve some old question paper problems and revision test paper problems issued by the ICAI. We are also going to discuss some exam preparation strategies and presentation skills required chapter wise for each chapter in your accounting syllabus. Participate actively in this crash course, solve all the homework problems given, listen to the class all the time, and I am sure some more smart work you will be able to score great marks in this particular paper. See you on September 3rd. Bye.
Hello all, this is Professor Induriti from Trisha Vidya College of Commerce and Management. It's a great pleasure to come to you with the crash course for November 2020. I'll be taking the subject Business Correspondence and Reporting. It will be a 7-hour session from 28th to 30th. It's an activity-based session where you'll be coming to know exactly what you're supposed to do or how you're supposed to prepare for the examination. So see you soon, guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Abhilal Kshatriya. I'll be training for CA Foundation Mathematics. So, when we speak about mathematics, it would be easy for some, it would be difficult for some. I say that it is difficult, but let us study in an easy way. There are a lot of shortcuts and tricks in mathematics. You will have 40 questions in the question paper with different chapters like ratio and proportion, indices, equations, differentiation, integration. But you know that where there is a will, there is a way. So, if you work hard, everything is easy. It will be easy, and CA Foundation Mathematics will be easy. Lot of shortcuts. You need to practice something, and the calculation should be faster. And finding the squares, finding the cubes, have calculator, but still one such calculation would be finding 15 square. 5 square. So 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1, add the same one, you get 225. One of the shortcuts. There are a lot of other shortcuts. In the preparation of the crash course for CA Foundation, we will be solving most of the questions similar to the questions which has come in previous year papers, and then how to solve questions within a minute. That matters the most. Okay, with this I wish you good luck and welcome you to all the classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Abhijit Jaika from Trisha Classes. I will be coaching you statistics and logical reasoning for the CA Foundation Crash Course 2020, unleashed by Trisha Classes, unraveling the mysteries of this examination. In the paper Quantitative Aptitude, it is filled with 100 MCQs. And you would get at max 120 minutes. On an average, you're getting 1 minute for one question. To solve these kind of questions, you need to have a different game plan, and that game plan should involve shortcut formulae and say a lot of shortcut formulae and well drafted arrangement of formulae to remember in a manner which will not tax your memory and from which you can recall it in the fastest and in a flash memory like that you can recall it back, and also avoiding that particular kind of question which would award you negative marks, and also handling those lengthy questions in a mannerism where you can save a lot of time. And so many exciting things had to be learned before you enter into this examination. All that techniques and tricks will be taught in this crash course. I expect all of you to join this and take the maximum benefit out of these classes. See you soon guys. Have a good time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is your economics faculty Shashi Kiran. It's a demand, supply, cost, market behavior. It's a full confusion. So especially for you kind of people who feels economics is the most confusing and the boring subject, make sure that your economics was boring but now it will be the fun-loving subject. On 20th of September, I am there to make your life simple in terms of an economics. So make sure that you are attending the economics crash course and you are simplifying your life in economics. So meet you on crash course on 20th of September. Bye bye.
Hi students, this is Winston Anil Lobo. I'll be teaching you business and commercial knowledge at Trisha Classes during the crash course. Students, your CA Foundation exams are fast approaching in November 2020, and this should be the attempt you are thinking of make or break. And I'm sure you all are excited just as I am for this particular session of the crash course in the coming month. So students, get all set. I know most of the students think that business commercial knowledge is an easy subject. It's a theory subject, sir. Just 5 to 6 chapters and it's easy to score. But students, this lightheadedness has caused a lot of problem to the students in the past. So students, my sincere advice to you all is, do not take this subject lightly just because it's a theory subject. It is very important, students. So revise well, get all your doubts clarified, and let us all meet at Trisha Classes during this crash course. I will be looking forward to see you. Let us solve a lot of questions. Let us get into the details of each chapters and revisit and revise all the chapters once again. Let us solve all your doubts and let us get going for the November 2020 exams. So I will meet you at Trisha Classes for the Trisha Classes crash course of CA Foundation. Bye-bye, see you and good luck.
Dear students, I am Mahipal Jain, Director K2 Learning and a faculty for Law subject. Firstly, I congratulate each and every student for taking up this CA Foundation course. Dear students, as you all know, any great work is incomplete unless and until it is finished well. So for this November 2020 examination, we at K2 Learning and Trisha Classes have organized a crash course. It is an exam-focused crash course, making sure that we provide you all those finishing edges required for your hard works put in for last 6 months, 9 months and so on. So dear friends, attend this crash course to get valuable inputs not only with respect to subject but also how to manage time, stress and various other important small elements which are required for you to crack this examination. I welcome each and every student and request each and every student appearing for this examination to be a part of this marathon crash course. So wishing you all the best and meet you at the crash course. Thank you and all the very best.